The common grackle is considered a communal bird, but tempers do fly. Check this out. Let me ask this fight expert, what's going on?
This is just a feeling out process.
This appears pretty vicious to me.
They're really going at it right now.
Which one has the advantage?
It's hard to tell.
Wow, that one looks like it really has problems. It's really pinned down.
He's got him by the neck. He's out of there. He's out of there.
Whoa, he broke free. Wow, this is really serious stuff. I hope neither one is injured. Whoa, it looks to be over. Thank goodness.